Full speed. Jeez. And then you can see that just fantastic total we got there, $94.76. So you guys better like this video and share it with others, and please watch the ads all the way. I don't do that. I don't ask for anything from you guys besides like following me and liking. Please watch the ads all the way. What's going on, guys? Josh here at Trax RC, and in today's video I'm going to be bashing the ARRMA KRATON 4S V2 here at the parking lot location. And as you can see, we got some fun ramps to play on here. We may change the configuration and stack them to get some good air, and we're going to see if we could end up all the way in that corner over there. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video.
Started on the ground, I'm working in the basement. Made it to the attic, swear it's so amazing. Yeah, I can't even lie, I feel like I just made it. Tell them check the numbers, man, you can't debate it. Don't talk about stage, I just started last May. Now I'm out getting paid, tell them I need a raise.
Alright, run on 4S. Oh yeah, let's see how long I can keep a wheelie. But I can do it down the whole parking lot. I've never rolled it doing a wheelie, that was the first time. Jeez. All right, let's get some air. Gotta line this up. The grass is so wet. I don't like that. And then it just does a burnout. Hurry up. All right, I'm gonna hit full speed now.
Are you sure about that?
Full speed.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Jeez. Jeez. Oh. Oh. Oh my. Oh, it shut off. Oh my God. Dude, I broke the chassis.
That's a lot of damage.
Oh my, it didn't shut off. Dude, I had so much content for this thing planned today. What? Oh my God. It just broke it on the third jump. Are you serious? The chassis of all things, bro. I don't even think you can get a chassis yet. And that's not fixable where I broke it. Dude. Oh my God. I'm not blaming the car for that. That was completely my fault. Oh, the center brace. I'm not blaming the car for that at all, because you guys have seen just how bad I've jumped this thing. How high, like 30 feet high, no problem. Landing on concrete, just full speed into the tree. What's this? That's part of the battery stop. It was all the way on the front end. Okay. Bro, I broke the center drive shaft. The end snapped. That end is good. So we need a new center drive line. That brace. God, obviously the chassis is a little beat. Oh, the brace broke right there too. Oh, that whole rod end. Oh my God. Okay, oh my. Bro, I bet I could split it into two halves. It's one screw holding it together. Right here. One screw holding the whole chassis together. That's it. Look at this. I can't make this up, guys. Oh my God. My mic cord is getting all tangled. Literally one screw holding the car together. How's the battery? Battery's good. Okay, now questions. Where did this come from? I know it goes right here, but how did it break? I don't know. Battery straps look good. This is the worst I've seen the chassis break. I didn't even jump it high. I just hit that tree so hard. This front bumper mount looks a little beat, but I mean, it still works. I'm gonna get my screwdriver and we're gonna take this screw out so we could assess the damage a little bit more. Okay, so we got all the tools right here, but I also just noticed that the servo is cracked right on that ear mount. It looks like that whole ESC thing. It looks like the servo arm too. It's getting to be a little bit more than I thought. Let's take this screw out and see what the damage is. Looks like I'm gonna have to order a lot of stuff or make a warranty claim. I just don't care. I just want the parts here fast. This blows, dude. I had so much content planned for today and it just all basically went out the window. Okay, so damage, we got center brace, center drive line, This isn't broken, it doesn't look like. I just think it might have popped out. Oh, the screw hole ripped out. So where is it? Oh, okay, so it is broken because it's supposed to be attached right there. So this piece broke, the chassis, the servo horn broke, it cracked right there. The shocks look good, they're still smooth. A-arms aren't cracked. This one has a huge gouge taken out of it, but it's not cracked. We got the center brace, servo arm, chassis, this battery plate, center drive shaft. And if we look at the servo assembly in there, oh, look at the servo. There's a huge crack at the bottom. And then this piece is cracked, so I need a new cage around that. New servo. I wonder how this whole servo piece comes out. Let's see. I think it's just these 3 screws right here. Oh, there should be another one right here, but that one ripped out. Well, if that's not the ultimate Kraton 4S V2 test, I don't know what is. You guys better like and subscribe for this one, because this blows my day, honestly. Okay. Yeah, 3 screws. Now we can take a look at this. Servo's done. This little cage, so that's part of the receiver box that's broken because it's all integrated back here. You can see the huge gouge taken out of the servo. I'm gonna have to start writing a list. I mean, overall though, for what actually happened, I'm not like surprised that all that broke by any means. Here's the end of the drive shaft still stuck in here. Yeah. You can see where the drive shaft broke, just right there. Looks like all the steering is still good besides that servo horn. The drive shafts are good. I'm surprised the front bumper's good. It's only, I mean, you could kind of see just, it's all like kind of bent around there. It still works. Nothing's cracked, which is a good sign. Part of me was hoping that it would only be a front bumper broken or like an A-arm, but of course it's the chassis. And I'm not the only one to break a chassis on this thing. Razor RC, he's broken 2 already. Rich Duper Bash and RC Dude 81, I don't remember which one, but they broke the chassis. It was only like in the center though, like right here, they've cracked it. Of course, I got unlucky. So let's go over everything. We got this front battery stop, that plate that holds everything in. The mount broke off of it and it's still stuck in the chassis, so that broke. We got the center drive line. We have the servo horn, or not the servo horn, it's like this little link right here that broke. And then we have the receiver box because of that whole module. We got the chassis, and then we have the center brace, the little rod ends, and I think that's it. Let's take a look at the body. There's no cracks. It's only a little bit dented up front, but that's about it. So that held up. I can't stress this enough, guys. This is not the RC's fault. I'm not blaming ARRMA for this. Yes, other people have had chassis problems, but that's mainly from landing on flat concrete, not landing well, or just kind of taking a tumble after they land. As you guys saw, that crash was violent. I slammed that tree, smoked it dead on. And I'm not mad about breaking everything, because now you guys know what would happen if you smoke a tree like that going 50 miles an hour. Well, there you guys go. ARRMA KRATON 4S V2 in half. Never thought it would happen to me, honestly. I was just being dumb. Alright guys, so I just ordered everything that I know is broken at least. We got the chassis, battery mounting set, center drive line, center brace mounts, the steering parts, because that little link that broke, and then the radio box. The center brace mount and the radio box are on back order right now. One of them is coming in August, so this month, and then the other one is not coming until September. I have no clue when, I have no clue what dates. I think I should be able to make it work without those if needed though. And then you can see that just fantastic total we got there, $94.76. So you guys better like this video and share it with others, and please watch the ads all the way. I'm begging you. I don't do that. I don't ask for anything from you guys besides like following me and liking. Please watch the ads all the way. Thank you guys. I knew going into this just a dumb mistake, honestly. I knew I shouldn't have put those ramps there. I looked at it and I was like, yeah, maybe not, but I just left it. And that's the result. Broken chassis, among other things. There you go. Broken chassis, brand new ARRMA KRATON 4S. But yeah, I hope that you guys somewhat enjoyed this video. It was not pleasant for me, that's for sure. God, dude, just totaled it. Broke more parts than the WL toys. God, I hate to say that. That burns heavy. Well, guys, please just share this video. I need to pay for this thing. See you guys in the next video. And hopefully I don't break the chassis again. So I'll catch you guys later, and just help a brother out.
All the shit I'm doing, it's a use. Taking out it down, that's a use. Word around town, we the use.
Bro, the body clips are bent. Literally every single clip is bent. Okay, not that one. That one's bent. How did the body clips bend? I just put those on. Really?